Hi everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make red coconut chutney. This red coconut chutney is also known as Thengai Tohel in Tamil. This awesome tasting chutney goes well with practically all foods. But it's generally eaten with idli, dosa, adai or even rice. So let's see what needs to go into this chutney. 2 cups grated coconut, 2 cups red chilies, we have used bedgi mirchi, 1/4 cup tamarind or imli, 1/8 cup jaggery or gourd, 1/4 cup chana dal, salt to taste, sesame seed oil half cup, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon curry leaves or kadi patta, half teaspoon asafoetida powder or hing. Heat some oil, add chana dal. On a low flame, we have to roast it. We are adding the chana dal first and now the urad dal. The reason is chana dal takes longer to roast. Add in the mustard seeds or rayi. Now we are waiting for it to crackle. Once they crackle, we will add red chilies. Yeah, in goes the red chili. The trick for this chutney is to not to allow the red chilies to turn color. We have to retain the red color. If you let the color change, then you won't get this awesome taste. And also the color. So the flame is very low and we are just roasting it, taking care not to burn any ingredient. Add in the curry leaves. Add tamarind. Add hing or asafoetida. Now switch off the flame. We'll make use of the heat in the pan after switching off the flame. After switching off the flame. Add salt. Add jaggery. Add grated coconut. I always grate the coconut fresh while making this chutney. Mix well and let it cool. Now the roasted ingredients have cooled and we are transferring the cool roasted ingredients into a mixer jar. Grind adding little water. Remember, the water should be boiled and brought to room temperature. The red coconut chutney is ready. Doesn't it look yummy? Now let's transfer it to a serving bowl. See, we have retained the grainy texture. We have not ground it too smooth. There, taste our red chutney. This is a must try. Take care not to burn the ingredients, retain the red color of the red chilies and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Today we are serving this chutney with adai. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to subscribe. And as I said, sharing is caring. So do share. Bye. See you with another video soon.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.